Today's video is going to be very interesting because I am using all my leftover hairs. It's a joke world, baby. I have Curlfinity, Kima Kalon, and I bought 2 packs of Model. Let me show you guys. So I have color 1 of Kimakalon in small. It comes 20 in a box. This is leftover hair from doing the afro look last year, so I have that. And then I have the Curlfinity, same curl pattern. I have in 10 inch and 20 inch, color 1 and color 30. I like the feel and the texture of the Kimakalon hair. The Curlfinity is a bit tough and dry feeling, so I'm not too crazy about the Curlfinity. I have never tried the Model. It comes 20 in a pack too, and they come like this, and this is how the pack comes. It's so cute actually. So I'm going to use these small ones for the back of my hair, and I'm going to use the Curlfinity large in color 30 on my top. I'm going to show you guys my braid pattern. I'm gonna try cutting it and see if, because I'm gonna cut it, so it's actually hard to crochet it when I cut it in two, so I'm just gonna stick with the whole length. And I'll just cut it when I'm done. No big deal. Cheers. I started keto and I was just craving for a drink, and I didn't know what I could drink. So I went and bought Crystal Light, the raspberry lemonade, and then I bought some other brand. Anyway, I will insert the picture. And I mixed it. I squeezed a whole lemon in there, a whole lime in there, and then I put in some apple cider vinegar, because I know apple cider vinegar is good for keto, right? That's just what I have, and I just, you know, put it in a glass to make it interesting. Very tangy, but I enjoy it. While I'm crocheting, on purpose. This is my neighbor. I apologize to her for mowing the lawn and making so much noise that she can see me. My house sits on a hill and she's a little lower than me, so of course she can see what I'm doing. The look I'm going for is I want the color to come in a V. So I put this here so I know where to stop. So all these are going to be black. I was just trying to say these are going to be black and this is going to be my colored. You're going to have to watch this one when it posts. Because I'm going to be talking about you on there. It's starting to get dark out here, but guys, forgive me, I don't want to go back inside. The weather is so nice. You guys are gonna have to stay out here with me. First time I did this hair, excuse me, I crocheted the hair first and then I separated it later. This time around, I'm separating it ahead of time before I crochet it. And I think that's even helps to use less hair. I like this better. This way, when I'm done, I go straight into cutting. I don't have to spend time separating it, you know? Birds chirping, chirping. I know it's dark, it's time to go in. Y'all can't see nothing. So I'm gonna go continue inside. So it turns out I thought I had just color 30 and I've just found some color 27. Like I said, these are leftover hair, so what the box says is not what's in there.